Welcome to peaceful living homes, where small spaces reveal grand possibilities. In today's journey, we explore conservatory-style tiny homes that aren't just beautiful. They redefine simplicity with elegance. Whether nestled in nature or perched on scenic rooftops, these glassy sanctuaries offer stunning views, eco-friendly living, and surprisingly spacious comfort. Stay with us as we uncover how small can still be spectacular. Imagine waking up to sunlight pouring through a wall of glass, with lush greenery all around you. These conservatory tiny homes let nature in without giving up privacy. From leafy forest retreats to homes built beside calm lakes, the beauty of these spaces lies in their seamless connection to the outdoors, all while staying cozy and compact inside. Don't let the size fool you. The design behind these homes is masterful. With wide glass panels, smart storage, and minimalist interiors, conservatory tiny homes are as functional as they are stunning. Clean lines, natural textures, and open-plan layouts turn these compact spaces into architectural gems that feel anything but small. Inside these homes, every inch is intentional. Fold-away tables, hidden drawers, and modular furniture create a flexible lifestyle. Add in climate-friendly materials and solar options, and you've got a smart, sustainable setup that maximizes space without compromise. Living tiny doesn't mean living less. It means living smarter. These tiny conservatory homes can be found in the most serene locations. Think misty mountains, seaside cliffs, deep forest glades, and even rooftops in buzzing cities. Wherever they sit, they turn the ordinary into the extraordinary, creating peaceful escapes filled with light, warmth, and a sense of freedom. One of the best things about these homes, they're built with the planet in mind. From reclaimed wood to passive solar design, many of these conservatory homes champion sustainability. They blend into the environment instead of taking from it. And that's what makes them truly inspiring for a greener future. If this video left you inspired, imagine what's next. Subscribe to Peaceful Living Homes and discover more about small homes, big ideas, and beautiful eco-living. Your dream home might just be one tiny glass wall away. Don't forget to like, share, and let us know which design stole your heart. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. This is Peaceful Living Homes, bringing you closer to nature.